So everybody out there, did you get the old mystery chart? Yeah, you did, I'm sure. It's SBUX, which was founded by two teachers and a writer, which probably explained why it's named after a Moby Dick character. Anyway, Stifel thinks it's a whale of a stock, pardon that. Ups it to buy from hold. Michael Farr, you own it. Stock's up 4% today. What do you make of the call?
I think it's a good call. I think the stock's recovering, and I think they're also recovering a great deal in China. They're seeing those numbers improve. If you want to play this economic recovery in China, you've seen that their numbers are recovering. Their economic data are improving, probably at a faster pace than the U.S. They got rid of the Luckin Coffee sort of competition, which has been a disaster. You know, it's growing at 15% a year, 14, 15% a year on earnings with a 2.1% dividend. And it's really not cheap at 27 times earnings, but with that sort of earnings growth, I like that call. It's still on the way up.
Josh, you added more this week.
I did. So for people who are watching in March, April, this was one of the names that I had been bidding on at absurdly low prices. I didn't even think I would get hit, but I did. I was able to buy Starbucks in the low 60s. So this is an average up. I think the stock a year from now is like $100. If it actually is on the verge of a technical breakout, 82.5. There's no real resistance past that up to 90. So I like it on both the short and long time frame. Don't think there's a lot of potential downside if I'm wrong. But what I think ends up happening is this becomes one of the better names in the category to own when a vaccine FDA approval is announced, whenever that is. And I say one of the better names because a lot of them have already recovered and then some. They don't even need a vaccine. The way McDonald's trades and Chipotle and Domino's Pizza, they have no need of a vaccine. Starbucks does. So many of their locations revolve around business travel, revolve around commuting, and none of those things are happening right now. So I think this one gives you that big vaccine approval pop. And the last thing I would say, which the Stifel analyst points out, pumpkin spice is back, okay? So Starbucks might have lost the commuter, the business commuter. That traffic doesn't go by their door anymore. But what they've gained is the event and destination drink. So people are sitting around. I get it. They're working from home. Yay. They're bored. Going to Starbucks gives them something to do. And the fall lineup is going to be red hot, Sully. And I think that that's going to be a lift for the afternoon day part to offset what Starbucks has lost at breakfast time, where traffic is still down 30% from pre-pandemic levels.
But Sully, what Josh just said...
I'm not a pumpkin... Yeah, go ahead.
No. Yeah, sorry, but what he just said was important. First, I'm never drinking pumpkin spice. Never. It's not happening. I hope people do because I own the stock. But he said something else very important there, that he said he's doing an average up, which is one of those portfolio management things that continues to involve and require discipline. He bought it lower. He continues to like the fundamentals. He's adding to positions as he's trading these other things. Josh throws these things in on the sidelines like you might not hear it. Those are some of the most important things that he says because he's showing you the discipline with which he manages his portfolios. Yeah. I just want to make sure viewers hear it when he says it.
It's important. We've learned two things. Number one, Josh is very disciplined with investing. Yeah, no. Anybody who likes pumpkin, the other thing we learned is out of their gourd. And I had to say that.